Cindy, thank you. That back-breaking work of digging out is well underway. This is a scene from South Boston here where very few people have driveways. Governor Charlie Baker says today is a day to turn attention to clearing the sidewalks and taking care of neighbors. News Center 5's Jim Lokay is live in South Boston. Jim?
Emily, good afternoon. Governor Baker left the seaport just a little while ago after visiting the MassDOT Control Center. He said this storm response was all about public and private cooperation, and he gives those agencies an A. It's the day after in Southie, and the heavy lifting is well underway.
Shoveled it last night, and it got plowed back in.
With a parking ban still in place on main arteries in this city, it's still a struggle to dig out and get back to normal, not just here, but everywhere.
Today is mostly about sidewalks, parking lots, and other train platforms and other sort of ancillary areas that need to be taken care of.
Since the travel ban was lifted at midnight, traffic is moving again, but not a whole lot. Getting his first official tour of the DOT Control Center in the Seaport, Governor Charlie Baker says he has no regrets about the ban.
There wasn't a lot of stranded motor vehicle activity out there. The roads were clear.
Giving crews time to clear the roads for today. Transportation leaders say volume was light, minimal problems for the morning drive. But even one day before new DOT Secretary Stephanie Pollack takes over, she admitted the one big shortcoming today was commuter rail.
While we understand the challenges that our operator Keolis faces in operating the system, they signed on to a no excuses contract, and we're going to be looking for better performance this afternoon.
And you heard Governor Baker talk about parking lots. Keep in mind, a lot of the lots associated with commuter rail are governed and are taken care of by the local municipalities, so that could be another hitch in as they recover from the storm. Of course, we'll expect to hear a little bit later from Governor Baker as he heads down to the South Shore to survey the damage there. In fact, that's where he and Lieutenant Governor Karen Polito left for. Live in South Boston, I'm Jim Lokay, WCVB News Center 5.